Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a computer monitor. And this is surprisingly simple with how everything is set up nowadays. So what you want to do is just flip your monitor around, and you're going to have a bunch of different options to connect it now. So on my monitor, I have two HDMI cables, which is just going to be the same input method as your TV. So you can see what this cable looks like, and then the top is a display port, which is very similar to an HDMI, but it's going to have a little bit different connection. So I have one display port and two HDMIs. I just have to plug in my HDMI cable to my monitor, just like this in the back, and then I should be able to get my connection on here. Now just go on over to the options for input or the sources and make sure you have the correct source, and it should work automatically just like your TV. So go on over to input, then I have HDMI 1 and 2, and then display port, and I can connect to. So once I have the correct one selected, it should work right away. Now you might have like a little blue cable running from the back of your monitor, and that is a VGA cable, and this is going to require an adapter. So if you want to connect to that, you're going to have to get an HDMI to VGA cable adapter, or you do have the option to connect with a display port, but you'll need an HDMI to a display port adapter. So the connection method on your PS5 is HDMI, so you're going to have to get an adapter for whatever kind of method that you're trying to connect to with your monitor setup. So yes, just check that out. Get one of those adapters online for about 15 to 20 bucks, and you can definitely use your computer monitor with your PlayStation 5, depending on your connection method. But these newer monitors, they should all be using HDMI as a method on the back, which will work right away with your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.